play na. Pass! Go!
Yay! Mga kabangbang, we are here at Mary Mart kasi mag-host tayo for the BAI Sports Fest. Woo! Grabe siya! Ready na? Ready na? Ready na! Sino naman? Okay, let's clean our stage. Woo!
Elimination rounds na to, it's all about healthcare. But for the final question, it's all about banking and finance. Name the top 10 most common medical emergencies. Go! Pass or play? Play! Stroke survey says yes! Gunshot. Cancer. Top 10 cases of heart disease. Go! Go! Pass or play na? Pass! Girl, nag-pass sila so may chance ka mo. 35 points! Points! So yun na.
Yung kasama mong messenger nanonood.
High blood pressure is services. Second highest answer. Yes, ano tayo mo? Correct!
Bakit parang alam ko yung ibig sabihin ng mga ngiti na yan?
Actually, number one cause of heart disease. Correct! You have 50 overwork sa heart disease.
We have the plus and we have the advanced card that you can use at the Medical City Iloilo and the Medical City Festival Clinic.
Nag-survey kami ng mga Ilonggo patient partners namon. So mag-anong takon ano ang ilang spending habits. Kasi hindi natin nag-stoy lang money. And my count in 3, 2, 1, go! 2, 1, go! 2, 1, go! 2, 1, go! Ah! Ma'am, let me ask you, pass or play? Play! Food. Food? Food survey says that's the top answer! Shopping? Wala siya. Yung food is travel. Vision things.
I think ang magaling ko ron pag-usap ng problema. Bills!
Bills or utilities. Yeah. Fuel! Ba't ako wala kami pag-food na mag-food? Okay. Wrong na! Survey says, wala man, sir. Utak? Long! Sabay yung 15 points.
Duwa lang ano, Mars?
Of course, thank you to all the bankers who supported our first run sa 10 peso sa bawat bankero. Thank you so much once again, and I hope everyone enjoyed our bankers' fuel. To our winner, the team appraisers and players, and of course the Team Uses, Madam Ugig nga salamat. Enjoy the rest of the day. And I'm your bombastic host, Miss B, signing off. Thank you.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!